Hi Kenya and welcome back to the channel. Well, if you do follow my channel, you know I went up to the ABR festival. Anyway, I found some photos left on the camera, so I thought I'd just put this together for you. This wasn't looking good. And even the Harley got a little bit of air. And if throwing these adventure bikes around the way they do wasn't enough, just gotta go that little bit further. And the highest jump of the day goes to Jake Eady on the Himalayan, the only one with his head above the wires. Hope you've enjoyed this little photo gallery. Please hit the like button, click and subscribe. Thank you for watching.